Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter's name is the HCF and LCM. So, HCF means highest common factor, and LCM means the lowest common multiple. So, we are going to start the exercise 3A. So, in question number 1, you have to draw the factor 3 as well as we have to write down the prime factorization. So, how you have to do the prime factorization method. So as we already know in class 5th, we already done what is prime factorization and how we have to do it. So we have to start dividing this number with a very smaller prime number, okay, which is exactly divisible. So we have to start with the smallest prime number. So let's start with 2 because 20 is divisible by 2, isn't it? So 20, that is 2 into 10. Okay, 2 into 10 because 2, this is the prime factorization method. Okay, now 10 is again divisible, 2 into 5. Okay, so now we get our prime factorization, and this diagram is known as the factor tree. So now what is your prime factorization? You have to write also 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. Let's continue to the B. This is of 36. It is again divisible by 2, that is of 18. 18 is again divisible by 2, that is of 2 into 9, and 9 is divisible by 3 into 3. So now what is your prime factorization? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Let's proceeding to question number 2. What is given? We have to express the following product of a prime factor. Now this is of prime factor. We need to find the prime factor of 150. So in prime factor we have to divide from the very smallest prime number, okay, which is exactly divisible by 150. Exactly divisible to 150, and we continue dividing it until and unless we got the last prime number. Okay, so let's proceed to the prime factors. We have to divide it from the smallest prime number. Let's take 2. 2 sevens are 14. Here 1 is carry, 75. Now we cannot divide 75 by 2. Let's start with 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 is carry here. It's make 15. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 5s are 15. Now 2 will get 5 as a last. Okay. Now we can also write 5 1s are 5 up to here. So what is our prime factors? Prime factors are 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 1. Okay. Now in question number 3, we have to identify which is a prime factorization. So to identify, we need to solve each of the every questions whether this is correct or not. Let's take 48 first. So options are already given to you. We need to check. Okay, we just need to check whether it is a prime factor or not. So we are using this method called prime factor methods, prime factors method. So let's take 48. 2 2 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now what we got? We have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, this is we get. But here what is your answer? This is which is not match to your answer while solving this. That means this is not a prime number. We need to solve this one also, 168. We need to solving this, we have to choose whether it is a prime factor or not. 168, isn't it? Now let's check 168. 2 6 are 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now this is up to 2. We will start from 3. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. We no need to do this 7 1s are 7 because it's the same thing. So we can stop here also. So 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2s are there, 1 3 and 7. We need to check here. Okay, 7 is there. We'll also have 1 7. 2 is 1, 2 and 3 2s are there. 3 is there. That means this is matching. That means this is a prime number. This is a prime factorization. This is correct prime factorization. Okay. Let's check others also in your homework.